Hey guys, so I'm going to be cutting my nails. Yes, I know. I mean, look, these are all different lengths. They're just out of control, and it's been a hell of a long time since I actually cut my nails, and an even longer time since I've actually painted them. So I think that's something that I need to reintroduce into my routine, because I don't know, it's nice to sometimes have painted nails. So as you can see, like my thumbnails, they are broken. You can see here that it's like one length there and then a different length there. It's because it broke really awkwardly, so I need to sort that out. Today I busted this one. I was reaching for the button on the elevator, on the lift, and I kind of misjudged because I was looking at my phone at the same time, and I smashed my finger into the wall and it literally just shattered into a million pieces. And you know, the rest of the nails, like this one, that's one length, this is a different length. Both of my pinkies are really long. Like the middle finger here and the middle finger there, two different lengths. Again here, two different lengths. Ugh. I need to sort it all out. So it will also be quite interesting to find out how long it takes for me to cut them and regrow them. Because back in the day when I was younger, I used to think, like in my mind, that it would only take like 2 or 3 weeks for me to cut and then regrow my nails. So I barely ever cut them. I've got to most definitely make sure that I get the edges, because I always somehow end up scratching myself because of missed edges or missed corners. So I've got to get those corners. But I will file down the corners. Like this one is just janky. But I will be like filing them. So now this looks decent. It still has a little bit of length, but it's not over the top. I think that's a great place to start from. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. It's so cool not having to get false nails. That's like an expense that I don't need to have. But at the same time, I do really like the way that false nails look, especially with like all of the pretty manicures and pretty polish and stuff. I just wish I had more time for it. What length did I do my pinky? Okay. Whew. So this is what my nails look like now. They look so much better, so much better. So now I'm going to paint them, and I'm going to be using this grey suede, which is, I need to shake first of all, but this one is by, can you see it? It says Revlon along golden part. Like, can't say, it's like along this rim here. I'm trying to get the correct angle. There you go, Revlon. So yeah, it's in grey suede. It's a beautiful shade. I'm gonna give it a shake, because admittedly I have had it for a very long time. And I think for the first time like reintroducing myself back into nail polish. I'm only gonna give myself one coat. I know, blasphemy. Like one coat? You crazy? No, I'm not crazy. I'm just not used to wearing nail polish. Like as I said, I used to wear it all the time. Like every week I used to do my nails. But you know how I used to do my nails? I used to do them black. I used to do my nails black. And I really thought that they were cool. And they are kind of cool. But everybody else is kind of like, what are you doing? And I think that's another thing that made people wonder if I was goth or something. Oh no, I forgot to file them before. Oh, I'm so silly. Never mind. Never mind. Doesn't matter. Oh my gosh, I used to be a boss at doing my, like, using my left hand to paint my nails. And now, like, I am struggling. I am struggling. Like, I feel like a newbie at this. I feel like, oh my God. This feels crazy. Oh gosh. The thing is, when you have one coat of nail polish, it dries quicker. So I'm probably gonna have to, I'm probably gonna find that this chips really quickly because it's just one coating. But that's okay. It will just give me a reason to try out another color. But the thing is like the shades that I got, they're like predominantly nude shades. See, I love the way that looks. That is so cute. And the thing is, it's like if you look, you can kind of see my own nail through it a little bit. I really like that. Rather than having like a really thick opaque color. Like, oh my God, I've flooded the cuticle a little bit. I can clean that up at some point. So I'm not even too bothered about it, but I absolutely love the way that this looks. It looks so pretty. I think I'm gonna start trying to do my nails whenever it needs it, because it is nice to pretty them up a little bit, make them look good a little bit. But yeah, so yeah, that's that really. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for all of the new subscribers and welcome, you guys. Oh my gosh, like over the past couple of days, I think I managed to get like 28 new subscribers, and that's a lot for a tiny channel like mine. I mean, I'm lucky if I get 1 subscriber a day, but to get like 28 within the span of a few days is kind of like, whoa, what's happening, what's going on? But admittedly, I have been sharing my videos more and getting them out there more, like on Instagram, on Facebook, etc, etc. I have been getting them out there more, so that's probably working. That's probably what it is. You know, people are coming because of the sharing. So, and I know that there's a few of you guys out there who have been sharing my videos as well, because you've let me know that you've been sharing my videos. So thank you guys so much. That just makes it so much quicker for us to get to 1,000 and do this giveaway. I can't wait for the giveaway. I tell you this, I kid you not. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.